New channels started with this trending content niche and achieved millions of views on TikTok. This person was smart. He reached 175.1 thousand with this content. And not only that, but he also turned these views into daily profits that he earns while sleeping. He created a course and began selling it for $97. And indeed, he got sales and succeeded. In that course, he taught them how to create story videos like his, step by step, starting from where to get the story, images, how to edit, how to do complex 3D animations, and more. And this is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video for free, in a very easy way that gives you the same result, only 100 times faster with AI. This niche also works really well on YouTube Shorts and gets thousands of views. This niche is called the creepy horror stories niche. The reason why it's going insanely viral is because these stories are interesting and the animation style is also unique. I will simplify this work for you and show you how to turn it into passive income. First, you need to create a TikTok or YouTube channel with a catchy name and logo that matches your content. After that, without waiting, start producing content. Of course, we begin with writing the content. We will use ChatGPT to create around 10 different scripts about creepy horror stories. We ask it, generate a real creepy story, urban legends, mystery short story ideas for a TikTok, YouTube channel. After a conversation with ChatGPT, I finally got an exciting story from beginning to end, titled The Voice of My Mother. We will copy it directly, then go into Short AI. Short AI is the ultimate solution for content creators who want to produce captivating short videos effortlessly. It's not limited to creating horror or mystery stories, but also allows you to generate a wide range of genres such as interesting history stories that reveal impactful events from the past, long-form jokes that build up with details and end in a surprising punchline, bedtime stories that are calm and soothing for kids, philosophical tales that spark deep thought, motivational content that inspires viewers to reach their goals, fun facts that grab attention, and thrilling urban legends. All of these can be turned into faceless short videos with dynamic captions and visual effects. Plus, you can even schedule automatic posting across all platforms. The result is a rich and diverse channel that attracts a wide audience, boosts engagement, and opens the door to real profits, all easily and without needing to show yourself on camera. After registering, the link is in the first comment. You'll find different AI tools like AI Image and AI Script, where you can create any script you want just by providing the prompt. Below that, you'll find Faceless Video, where you can choose any template and customize it however you like. For example, we can pick one and click Use this clipping setup. Then you'll see this interface to help you write your story in any genre you want. Interesting history, motivational, scary stories, etc. But we won't use it now because I already wrote the story with ChatGPT. All I need to do is paste the script and create the video. But for you, it's better to use this website. You'll find the registration link in the first comment. I'll click on Custom Script and paste the hook, CTA, and the story content. Of course, the hook is the beginning of the video and it has to be exciting and attention-grabbing, like, what would you do if you heard your dead mother calling you from the kitchen in the middle of the night? The CTA is a call to action for viewers at the end of the video, asking for a subscribe, like, comment, etc. For example, would you open the door or hide under the covers? Comment what you would do. Then we click Next. After that, choose the video size for TikTok Shorts and YouTube Shorts. Then select the style that matches your video content. For example, I think horror content fits perfectly with the dark style. Then click Next. Next, select the subtitle template and the voiceover that fits your story, and finally click Generate. After waiting about 1 minute, the video was successfully created. You can watch it or publish it directly from here, but I noticed that the video is missing some scary sound effects. So, we'll download it, then go to the website Pixabay and search for scary sound. We choose a sound that's about 1 minute long, then import everything into the CapCut app for the final editing. There, we'll merge the sound effects with the story and also cut or adjust any scenes that don't look good until we finally get a professional, high-quality video like this one, in less than 5 minutes. Let's watch it together.
What would you do if you heard your dead mother calling you from the kitchen in the middle of the night? Hannah woke in the middle of the night to a soft voice calling from the kitchen. Hannah, dinner is ready. Come down, sweetheart. She rubbed her eyes, confused. The house was dark, and the air smelled faintly of dust. Slowly the voice came again, warmer, closer. Hannah, don't make me wait. Her heart froze. That was her mother's voice. But her mother had died 3 years ago. The doorknob of her bedroom rattled, gently at first, then harder. "Open the door, darling. It's me." Tears filled Hannah's eyes as she pressed her back against the door. She whispered to herself, "This isn't real. This isn't real." The voice outside grew sharper, distorted. "If you're my daughter, why won't you let me in?" And then came silence. Hannah dared to breathe. Maybe it was over. That's when she heard the final whisper, this time inside the room, right beside her ear. "You didn't have to open the door. I'm already here. Would you open the door or hide under the covers? Comment what you would do."
The Short AI platform contains many AI tools, including converting a long video into multiple short videos, an image generator, automatic captions, and even the ability to schedule all your videos directly from there. The website offers 3 plans. Basic plan, affordable price, gives you 40 videos or 53 minutes of auto captions. Pro plan, the most commonly used, gives you 90 videos and 120 minutes of auto captions. Enterprise plan gives you 180 videos. Now, you just choose what suits you best. The link is in the first comment and in the description box. You definitely won't regret it. I tested it right in front of you in this video. Now, after publishing the content, how can you turn views into profits in a smart way, just like this person did? He created a page specifically to sell his course. On it, he provided all the details about the course and what people get. As soon as they click "Buy this," they go to a page with purchase details for the course. So, what you need to do is create your own digital product. It doesn't have to be a course. It could be an ebook, promoting products or websites, or selling valuable digital accounts like Canva, CapCut Pro, beta accounts, and more. Once you've created your digital product, go to Gumroad and register. Then go to Products, choose your digital product, write the title, set your price, fill in all the details, and upload your product. In the end, you'll have an attractive page like this one. Then put the link to your page in your TikTok bio or YouTube profile. Every person who clicks the link in your bio will be redirected to this page to buy your digital product, and then you'll start getting sales. But you must mention this in your videos. You'll find the Short AI link in the first comment and in the description box. Use it now and start creating videos that bring you thousands of views and profits in the fastest and easiest way possible. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. There are still more methods to earn from short videos.